In this video, I'll show you how to download LM Studio on your computer or laptop. LM Studio is a desktop app that lets you run AI language models on your own computer. It helps you download, manage, and chat with models locally without needing constant internet access. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to the official LM Studio website. Once you are on the website, click download. Once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder and open the installer. Now click install. And that is how you can download LM Studio on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.